What if I told you that your brain is constantly being washed, and that sleep might be the key to this mysterious cleaning process? Scientists have long debated how the brain clears out waste, and a new study just shook up everything we thought we knew. So, does sleep really wash your brain? Let's dive into this mind-blowing mystery. Your brain is a powerhouse. It burns through an enormous amount of energy, and just like any busy factory, it produces waste. But here's the problem: the brain has no obvious way to get rid of that waste. Unlike other organs which have the lymphatic system to flush out toxins, the brain has been a mystery, until now. Scientists believe the answer lies in cerebrospinal fluid, or CSF, a clear liquid that flows around and through your brain. But how does it move? What drives this mysterious brainwashing system? Deep inside your brain, hidden caverns called ventricles release cerebrospinal fluid. This fluid moves through the brain, carrying away waste. But how? A recent study led by neurologist Maken Nedergaard suggests that our blood vessels might be the secret. Her team found that the slow pulsing of blood vessels could push this fluid around the brain, almost like a pumping system. And here's the game changer: this process happens most during sleep. Could this explain why sleep feels so refreshing? Nedergaard's team thinks so. Their research showed that when we sleep, cerebrospinal fluid moves more rapidly, potentially flushing out harmful waste products. This has led to a fascinating hypothesis. Sleep might be essential because it washes our brains. But not everyone agrees. Some researchers argue that this so-called glymphatic system might not work the way Nedergaard's team suggests. Critics say the dye used in the experiments may have moved through the brain by simple diffusion, not an active pumping system. Others believe the brain must have some waste removal system, but it might work differently than we think. So, is the brain really flushing itself clean during sleep, or is something else at play? To test their theory, Nedergaard's team engineered mice that could control a key brain chemical, norepinephrine. This chemical affects blood vessels, causing them to expand and contract. The results? When norepinephrine levels fluctuated during sleep, CSF moved rhythmically, just like waves in the ocean. But when they sped up the blood vessel pumping, the effect was surprisingly local. Fluid moved only in tiny regions, not across the entire brain. This raises a big question. If blood vessels aren't the main force behind CSF movement, what is? No matter what the final answer is, one thing is clear: sleep is essential for brain health. Whether cerebrospinal fluid is actively washing our brains or not, sleep is linked to improved memory, better focus, and overall mental well-being. So, if you needed another reason to get a good night's sleep, consider this: your brain might be cleaning itself while you snooze. The truth is, we still don't fully understand how the brain gets rid of waste. Is sleep really the key? Is there another hidden system at play? One thing's for sure: scientists won't rest until they uncover the full story. What do you think? Could this discovery change how we understand sleep? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing discoveries. Stay curious for more fascinating discoveries in the world of science. LG News.